Hello. In this session, we are discussing input and output functions in Python. The basic input function in Python is input and the basic output function in Python is print. The input function in Python is used to get input from the user through the keyboard. And we have to note that whatever is accessed through input function is by default of string data type. Next, the output function in Python is used to display information to the user. The basic output function in Python is print. Let's see this in detail with an example. First, I am using input function to ask the user for their name. So I am using a variable name and using input function and asking for their name. Enter your name. Now I'm using the print function to display a message. Hello, then name. Then I'm checking the data type of name using the type function. I'm using type function to check the data type of name. Okay. Now I'm running this code. You can see that here the message is shown. Look, enter your name. So I have to give a name here, John. Then I'm I'm pressing enter. You can see that the message is shown as hello John, and the data type of name is string. So whatever is accessed through input function is treated as a string by default. Next, let's move on to next topic, that is type conversion. Type conversion means changing or converting one data type to another. There are two types of type conversions. First one is implicit type conversion. It is also known as coercion. And the second one is explicit type conversion. It is also known as typecasting. When Python automatically converts the type of a variable, it is known as implicit type conversion. But sometimes we have to explicitly convert some variables into other data types. That is known as explicit type conversion, and it is done using various typecasting functions like int, float, and str, like that. Let's see this with an example. First, we are doing implicit conversion. Okay, so I'm doing implicit conversion. Implicit conversion means Python automatically converts data type in some cases. I'm declaring two numbers, num1 and num2, 10.3, then declaring another variable sum. Okay, now I'm printing this sum and checking its data type using type function. Type function is used to check the data type of this sum. Here you can see the output of this code as 16.3. So sum is 16.3 and that is correct, we know that. And its data type is float type. We have given one integer and one float. And the sum is calculated here and assigned to the variable sum. So Python automatically converts this sum variable as of type float. Okay, this is all about implicit conversion. Next, we will be discussing explicit conversion. Explicit conversion. That is, in some cases, we have to explicitly use type conversion, which is done through various typecasting functions. Suppose we have a string as s is equal to 45. This is a string, isn't it? Let's check its data type. Type of s. We can see that the data type of s is string. Now I'm using a typecasting function. Num is equal to int of s. This is the typecasting function here, the int function. Now I'm checking the type of num. Here you can see that its data type is converted to int. So this is explicit type conversion. Thank you.